we are going to see healthy recipe recommendation using nutrition and ratings models. Introduction. The challenge of cooking nutritious food has been a long-standing issue. Traditional methods like trial and error and word of mouth have not considered dish nutritional value. Technological advances have enabled machine learning and graph theory to suggest better recipes focusing on relationship between ingredients, recipes, and users. This approach prioritizes comprehension and flexibility over exhaustiveness, enabling anyone to build similar system. Objective of the project. This project aims at three-part algorithm for recommending healthier recipes based on nutrition and rating. The first part uses machine learning algorithms on recipe name and nutrition. The second part uses user ratings to recommend high-rated recipes. The third part combines these algorithms to predict healthy recipes. The requirements needed to execute this project are hardware requirements, operating system of Windows, processor of i5 and above, RAM of 4GB and above, hard disk of 20GB and above. Software requirements needed are Python IDEL of Python 3.7 version. To execute this project, we have designed the following modules. The first module is upload dataset. Using this module, we will upload dataset to application. The second module is stage 1 algorithm. Using this module, we will convert entire recipe dataset into bag of words or vector. The third module is stage 2 algorithm. Using this module, we will generate bipartite graph from rating dataset. The next module is stage 3 prediction. Using this module, we will take input query from user and then predict output for that query and display to user as recommendation. The last module is KNN and GraphSage comparison graph. Using this module, we will display graph of MAE and RMSE for both algorithms. Execution of the project. To execute this project, first we have to open the code folder. This is the dataset folder in which I have the required dataset. This is the model folder. In this folder, I have the pickle file stored, which contains the algorithm information. These pickle files can be loaded into the project code during runtime to utilize the trained models. These are the Python main code files. This is the HTML file for writing a query and getting recommendations by algorithm for it. This is the run.bat file. Instead of executing the project in command line interface, we have created the Windows batch file. Double-click on run.bat file. This graphical user interface will be opened. With this, we are interacting with the program. Now click on Upload Recipe Dataset. A dialog box will be opened. Select the dataset and click on Open. It confirms that the dataset is loaded. Now click on Stage 1 Recipe Vector. We got word cloud for nutrition words and close this image. And here in the text box, we can see MAE and RMSE values of KNN model and GraphSage model. The algorithm with least MAE and RMSE is performing well. So here proposed GraphSage model is doing well. Now click on stage 2 personalization vector. We can see rating graph has been generated. It displays a rating for few recipes ID, and now both rating and machine learning models are ready. Click on stage 3 prediction. A query box has been opened. Okay, I will enter yummy lasagna. And click on open. Okay. We can see that we got recommendations with nutrition details and ratings. And from these results, user may choose high ratings and high nutritious recipes. So for lasagna, I got these are the lasagna recipes predicted, and these are the ingredients used for preparing that recipe, and these are the nutrition values. This is the rating. Now close this HTML file. This time again we will give an other query. I'll give it as pasta and click on OK. So these are the pasta recipes found. Close this HTML file and now click on KNN and MLP comparison graph. On x-axis, we have MAE and RMSE of KNN and proposed graph SAGE algorithms. We can see proposed algorithm has least MAE and high RMSE. Close this graph, and the conclusion here is the project proposes a 3-part algorithm for predicting user ratings on recipes and suggesting healthier alternatives. The first part uses machine learning algorithms, while the second part recommends high-rated recipes using a bipartite graph dictionary. The third part combines these algorithms to predict healthy recipes, generating novel recommendations.
Thank you for watching video. For more projects, please visit our website www.trueprojects.in. For updates on latest project videos, please visit True Projects YouTube channel and subscribe.